All right, hi all. Sorry I lost my voice. But this is going to be a graph. A video about making graphs with two lines. I have some sample data here. This is like made up data. This is not real data, and you should make sure to use the data that you collected in the lab. The other thing you should know is that I am in Excel right now, and I am not in the online version. Okay. The online version does not work as well. It doesn't have as many options. So to do this easily, you need to download the version, the application version of Excel, right?
Mommy,
Hold on, buddy.
what's Excel?
Yeah, I'll tell you in a bit, bud. All right. So here, notice that I have my titles across the top here. And I have my time in minutes. Our control has only a 0 and 8 versus our experimental. All right. But the values with numbers in them only have values, no units. Okay. So if I select everything and I insert, I do not want to choose a line graph. I want to choose a scatter. And you can do a scatter with smooth lines and markers is fine. Okay. Doing that automatically made our line with our x-axis. Notice that it includes all the numbers we skipped, like 5 and 7, but there's only data points at the times we actually took data. Okay. That's important that the scaled it goes and it skips the number 3, but the 3 is shown. Okay. And that gives us our two lines. And then you can play around with chart design. You can look in your formatting. You can also, where am I? Chart design. I want to add a chart element, which might mean an axis title, right? So our horizontal title is like time in minutes. And I can add an axis title for the vertical axis, which in this case is absorbance at 410 nanometers, NM. Then just looking at our other options here. Looking at our other options, I want to look at our series. Okay, hold on. All right, so this is what I decided to do. So because we're not getting this lower line, what I'm deciding to do is go back to a regular scatter plot here. Sorry. A regular scatter plot. And then you can add two trend lines. So first you add a trend line for the control, linear in this case, and you'll add a trend line, a second trend line for the experimental. Good. And so for our purposes, and then you'll change the chart title. That'll be how you make a graph in Excel with 2 lines.